All right, today I have 3 packs of 1992 Stadium Club Baseball Series 2. All right, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into here. All right, let's turn these guys around here. All right, we've got Doug Piott, Jay Howell, Joe Grahe, Pete Sorick. It's our sweepstakes card. Thomas Howard. Oh, we got Ryan Sandberg. All right, we'll put Rhino on the stand. Got checklist. All right, we've got Kelly Gruber, Tom Lampkin, Brian Downing, Russ Swan, Rich DeLucia, Jose Guzman, Warren Newsome, and we got Frank Thomas, Member's Choice. All right, that's not a bad one. All right, pack number 2. Mr. Nutrigenics himself. Big Hurts getting you some boner medicine here, okay? Rod Marr. Oh, we got Canseco Member's Choice. That's a nice card. All right. Steve Crichton. Brian Smith. Tom Prince. Kevin Apier. Dave West. Harvey Pullman. Shawan Dunston. Roberto Kelly. Jose Aquino. Chris Carpenter. Mickey Morandini. Charles Nagy. And John Kiley. All right. Last pack here. All right. Andujar Cedeno, Steve Wapnick, Chuck McElroy, Tony Estrubio. All right, we got our sweepstakes card. Luis Polonia, Julio Franco. Ooh, we got Griffey Jr. All right, we got the kid. All right, Von Rodriguez. All right, Greg Myers, Jeff Kaiser, Bruce Walton, Don Mattingly. All right, man, this is a hot pack. John Barfield, Bruce Engelbert, Ruben Sierra. All right. I know I said I had 3 packs, but you know what? We had such a good run with that one. I got one more here. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Let's our 4th pack of this up here. All right. Randy Milligan, Ellis Burks, Heathcliff Slocum, Charlie Leibrandt. There is our, remember that, Rob Marr, another Canseco. All right, Steve Crichton, Brian Smith, Tom Prince, Hector Wagner, Derek Bell, Nick Osaski, Pat Tabler, Gene Nelson, and we got the GOATs. We got the GOATs. All right, Canseco, you and your PDS can move back here. It's for the GOATs. All right, not bad with the Stadium Club this time around. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching.